Hi, we've reached part 4 of our unit conversions where we're going with customary and metric. And these are no harder than the other ones we've done. We just have to find our fancy ones we're going to use each time. So once again, we're going to start by writing down the thing we know, 9.2 centimeters. And then I'm going to look at my conversion chart. And I'm going to see if I find something here that says centimeters and inches. Well, let's see. Oh, right there. 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. So that is exactly the fancy one I'm going to make. I need to put centimeters on the bottom and inches on the top. And that was 2.54 centimeters is 1 inch. Multiply across the top, divide by the thing on bottom. 59.2 divided by 2.54. Answer is 23.3 inches. Now significant figures are important here. We had 1, 2, 3 significant figures to begin with, so I need 1, 2, 3 in my answer. That's why I cut it off right here. Now let's look at the next one, inches to meters. So again, I'm going to start with this 98.6 inches, and then I need to make a fancy one. Let's see if we can find a conversion for inches to meters. Well, there's inches to centimeters, and there's meters to feet, but I don't see one that does straight inches to meters like I need. So I'm going to have to make two fancy ones. But I can go from inches to feet, and then feet to meters, and that'll get me there. So inches is on top here, so I need inches on bottom to feet. And then I'm going to go from feet to meters. So I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot, so that's a fancy one. And then I know from my conversion chart, 3.28 feet in 1 meter, so that's my other one, 3.28 feet in 1 meter. So I'm going to multiply straight across the top, which is just 98.6 inches. And on the bottom, I'm going to multiply straight across the bottom, so I need to do 12 times this. 12 times 3.28, giving me 39.36. And then remember, this big bar means to divide, so I'm going to take 98.6 divided by 39.36. And I get 2.5. And how many significant figures do we need? We need 3, so I need 5. And then this 5 here rounds that 0 up to a 1. And what's my units at the end? Well, it said we were going to meters. Let's check. Inches cancels with inches, feet cancels with feet, leaving meters. Great, that's exactly what we needed. 2.51 meters. Okay, just one more to make sure we got this. 100 meters is how many miles? Well, let's see. Do we have meters and miles here? No, I have kilometers and miles. And it's not too hard to go from meters to kilometers, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go meters to kilometers and then kilometers to miles. So I'm going to write down my number first, 100 meters. And first I want to go from meters to kilometers. So remember, look at your conversion down here. Kilometers is right here. So let's remember how that works. 10 to the third meters equals 1 kilometer. That's how this table works. So 10 to the third meters equals 1 kilometer. And I'm going to use my other conversion. 1 kilometer equals 0.621 miles. So 1 kilometer equals 0.621 miles. Check our units. Meters, meters, kilometers, kilometers. Great. I'm left with miles. Once again, I'm going to multiply times the stuff on the top. 100 times 0.621. Okay, so that gives me 62.1 on top. On bottom, I just have 10 to the third. So I'm going to divide this by this. And I get 0.0621. Our units were miles. And we're done. Thanks for watching.